What's up, dudes? There's apparently a tornado warning or something going on outside. Let's see if we can see it. I don't know if you guys can hear that or not. But it sounds like fucking Armageddon out there, dude. Praying for everybody. In case we go down. You guys, okay, hear me out. You guys ever just feel like, I don't know, like this could be it, you know? Like, it's one random night, thunderstorm, boom, no more power, no more Wi-Fi, no more VPNs. It's a fucking shame. Be a scary thought. No more Crunchyroll. What would I do without Crunchyroll? I don't know. Are you guys hearing this? Holy shit. Let's look again.